If you really look at it, most of us focus on that setting sun instead of enjoying the shades of colors which could only be seen during the sunset. And that's how most of us lead our lives, missing out on the beautiful moments.
Forgo, give up everything that I